Water leaks can cause extensive and expensive damage to buildings, infrastructure, and anything built with concrete. All concrete is susceptible to cracking, and older concrete structures are even more susceptible to leaks. Let's examine the different methods available for preventing and stopping leaks. There are negative side solutions that apply surface treatments to the face of the wall to stop leaks. However, this is merely a band-aid approach. The water pressure is behind the wall, so there's risk that the water pressure will blow this band-aid repair right off the wall. Alchemy-Spetec offers a more permanent solution to fix the leak by injecting one of Alchemy-Spetec's resins to create a grout curtain on the positive side of the structure. Let's take a look. Curtain wall grouting with Alchemy-Spetec leak seal polymers allows you to stop multiple leaks in a structure at one time. In this process, holes are drilled through a structure in a diamond pattern. Next, Alchemy-Spetec injection resins are injected through the structure into the soil and/or voids, sealing the leak from the outside of the structure. The resin quickly reacts with the water and cures to form a curtain wall made of a resin-soil mixture that seals the leak permanently from the inside. This is a positive side waterproofing solution applied from the negative side. Another method for stopping leaks is to create a leak seal gasket. Wide cracks, joints, and other defects allow water to infiltrate into below-grade structures. Qualified contractors can use the Alchemy-Spetec leak seal line of resins and Oakum to repair pipe penetrations and other wide cracks, joints, and defects. Oakum is an oil-free natural fiber that is soaked in resin and packed into the wide cracks and joints with a putty knife, creating a gasket that stops the water leaks. If necessary, resin is then injected through the gasket to fill the void behind the structure. Crack injection is a different approach for smaller cracks or joints. They are typically repaired by drilling holes and inserting injection ports at an angle to intersect the crack or joint inside the wall, and then injecting directly into the center of the crack or joint through the ports. The resin rapidly reacts with water to form a flexible, watertight seal. Once the leaks are sealed, the wall can be refinished to look as good as new. Another advantage to sealing leaks with polyurethane is rebar protection. Water intrusion through concrete walls with reinforcing steel can lead to corrosion and spalling. Corroding rebar rusts and can expand 6 to 10 times the original volume of the steel. This creates internal pressure on the concrete. While concrete is very strong in compression, it has a low tensile strength, and the expanding rebar will cause it to crack. By injecting polyurethane resin under pressure, we can encapsulate rebar and slow down the rebar corrosion process. This can greatly extend the life of the structure.